Chinnikanga balook or thick sweet potato chips is a sweet and a salty dish. It is sweet because of the sweetness of the sweet potato and it is crispy when hot and becomes soft when cool. So better to have it hot. We Konkanis have it along with rice. You can have it as such as well. You can go for either the red skinned or the white skinned sweet potatoes. The red skinned sweet potatoes are much tastier and sweet than the white ones. In this recipe, I have used the white ones as I got them in the market. I couldn't get the red ones. So hello, hi and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Chinnikanga balook or thick sweet potato chips. Coming to the ingredients. You need 2 to 3 numbers of sweet potato, red or white skinned, salt to taste and oil for deep frying. Peel and wash the sweet potatoes, slice them into 1/4 inch thick pieces using a knife. Apply salt to the cut pieces. Heat oil in a kadai or a pan for deep frying. Slide the potato slices one by one into the oil gently along the sides. Roast both the sides till golden brown. Remove from oil. Drain away excess oil using a tissue paper or a strainer. Your balook or thick sweet potato chip is ready to be served. Serve it hot with rice or you can have it as such. If you want, you can smear the potatoes with chili powder, hing and salt also and then fry. You will get a different taste and flavor for the dish. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching my channel regularly as I will be sharing most of the Kerala GSB Konkani dishes prepared by GSBs in South Kerala. Thank you.